Okay, let's see. All right. Said Red Molly to James, that's a fine road to buy. Oh, a girl could feel special on such life. Said James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. It's a Vincent Black Lightning 1952. Well, I've seen you in the corners and the cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather are my favorite color schemes. And he pulled her up behind and on the box seat they did ride. Said James to Red Molly, here's a ring for your right hand, but I'll tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. I fought with the law since I was 17. I robbed many men to get my Vincent machine. Well, I'm 21 years, I might not make 22. Now I don't mind dying for the love of you. But if fate should break my stride, then I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Sit back down, dude. Sit back down. Sit down, come down, Red Molly, said Sergeant McRae. Well, they've taken young James Edie for armed robbery. Shotgun blast to his chest and nothing left inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. She came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry. Said, I give you my Vincent to ride. Said James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Triumphs and Nortons and Beeses won't do. They don't have a soul like a Vincent 52. He reached for her hand and he slipped her the keys. Said, I got no further use for these. I see angels in aerials and leather and chrome swimming down from heaven to carry me home. And he gave her one last kiss and died. And he gave her his Vincent to ride. Yeah, good song.